Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Path. This is Dr. B. Meena, Associate Professor and Research Supervisor from Petition College of Arts and Science, IRR, Chennai. In this video, I'm going to teach you the one of the modern method, internal rate of return method. In as usual way, we need to calculate the annual cash inflows, or which is otherwise known as profits after tax and before depreciation. As I discussed in the previous videos, we will calculate with using the same format. Once you calculate the annual cash inflows, we need to keep two different discount rates, the lowest rate as well as highest rate. So better to have 10% as lowest and highest as 15% discount rate for all your cash inflows, and calculate the present value of all the cash inflows based on 10% discount rate and 15% discount rate. Once you calculated by using this format, then go for the workings for IRR by using this formula. 10% is the lowest rate I'm keeping as per my problem, and net present value at 10% is how much, and divided by net present value at 10% minus net present value at 15% into difference in the rate, that is 10 to 15% is the difference. No, so 15 minus 10, 5% is the difference. This is the usual way recommended to you to calculate the IRR for any kind of problems. Let me check one problem under this IRR method. As per this problem, we have 4 years cash inflows for project X and project Y. The investment cost is same as rupees 10,000. So just check out the solution, how I work it out. That is, for project X, I calculate it separately. In the next slide, I calculate project Y separately. But the investment cost is same as 10,000. So I just return all the cash inflows in my second column, and I just return the discounted rated value for first year to fourth year. Then multiply this value with the cash inflows. I'll get the present value of rupees at 10%. Likewise, I need to work out for 15%. So what are the values I'm getting into the cash inflows? That gives me present value of the rupees at 15%. So get the summation of both the 10% as well as 15%. That is your total present value. Compare with your investment 10,000. Then what is the net present value? Once you calculate the net present value, apply in this formula to calculate the IRR. So what is the lowest discount rate I mentioned as per this problem? 10%. So 10%, and NPV 10% value is how much? 1,272 divided by NPV at 10% minus NPV at 15%. So 1,272 minus 238 into 15 minus 10%. So 5%, and do this calculation, and you will get this answer 1.2301. If you are simplifying this one, 1.2301 into 5%, that gives me 6.15% plus 10%, 16.15% is your IRR. So this is the way how you will calculate internal rate of returns. So this method is very helpful to all the people who want to know the profitability position of a investment proposals. So this is a kind of method which touches the NPV method also, but we will have two discount rates to calculate the internal rate of return. One is lowest interest rate and other one is highest discount rate. So this is the way of working out as IRR method. Just what are the cash inflows, and then calculate the values at 10%, 15%, then multiply the cash inflows with the 10% rates and compare the investment. Then you calculate NPV, and NPV use this formula to calculate the IRR. What is the IRR for your problem? Okay, this is the way how you will calculate for your question whenever you have a IRR related question. Thanks for watching this my video. See you again next video. Click the bell button to subscribe my channel to view other videos which is going to be covered under management accounting. Thank you so much.